Today, I'll show you how to add and adjust your own background music in Canva's video editor, whether it's a voiceover or just some music to boost the vibe. It's super easy to do. Let's get started. First, open your project in Canva and go straight to the Uploads tab on the left. Upload your audio file, or if it's already there, just click and drag it into your timeline. Once it's on the timeline, you'll see the music layer appear below your video. You can drag it left or right to place it exactly where you want it to start. To adjust the volume, select the audio clip and click the volume icon on the top toolbar. Then just slide it up or down depending on how loud or soft you want it. If you want to trim or cut the audio, move your playhead to the spot where you want to make the cut. Then click the split button at the top. Now you can delete or move each part separately. And that's it. You've just added and adjusted music in your Canva video. Super clean, super simple. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Canva tips.